Mr. Siraj.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Very well, and congratulations on your new channel. It's something really innovative and very nice. Congratulations.
Thank you. Mr. Siraj, I love to introduce, if you can introduce yourself more.
Okay, I'm basically an Indian designer, Siraj, and the name of the label is also Siraj. Okay, and I'm coming from Mumbai, the Bollywood film industry base. Okay, that's the base I'm coming from, and I specialize in Indian bridal collection. In fact, you'll be able to see it very shortly, my entire collection on the ramp when they'll be walking with my clothes. But at the same time, I do not limit myself to traditional or a cultural collection or a costume. I'm open for everything. I make it a Western, Indian, or you name it what you want. Even I have made a couple of designs for Chinese, as a Chinese dresses, and they have been appreciated a lot in the market. So I don't want to restrict myself to a specific boundary. So I'm always open to work for any kind of a culture, any kind of a tradition, because I'm basically a creative person. Creativity doesn't have a boundary. It doesn't understand the country. It doesn't understand the language.
Yes.
It needs to be broken. I try to break it and keep moving. That's what.
Wow, great. Mr. Siraj, I knew about that you customize the design. You work like on a special design and very unique. Can you tell us more about this?
Sure. Now, in today's time, everyone is looking for a unique design. For example, if a girl who's getting married, okay, the dress, anyone in the world, any store can make it a dress. But that's the difference between other designers and me. What I do is I give them a complete makeover. For example, from top to bottom, I give them a customized design and a costume. For example, if there's a specific material has been used in the bridal collection or a dress, okay, what I do is I try to make a same thing in a clutch or a bag, you can say, and then the same thing I make it as a sandal or a shoe, whatever. Then I try to make the neck pieces what we make. Even I try to make a bit of that material to use it in the neck piece. Then on a headgear or a head scarf, you can say headgear, you understand it better. So headgear, I try to give that thing so everywhere the touch is there. So you will get to know that everything has been customized. Nothing has been purchased from the market. That's the basic thing about my unique this thing.
Okay, do you want to tell us more about that? You don't only work on the robe, on the dress, but also you told me that you work on the sandals, on the accessories, all this stuff. What about it?
Okay, that's right. Now, basically, I believe that the fashion designer is, in today's time, people are thinking that a fashion designer is just a costume designer, but it is not. Fashion, otherwise you call yourself a costume designer. That's the reason I don't call myself a costume designer. I'm a fashion designer. I give fashion. So fashion, it means fashion. Under fashion comes everything. So I try to give the makeover to people, like your complete attire. I try to change the attire of a person. Like you are this, I want to change it. Then look at them. You are this now. And that in minutes time, I'll make it and you can click the picture, before and after, something like that. And that is the reason, and everyone loves that thing, everyone wants a uniqueness.
Yes.
And just for your kind information, I work on my own design by hand. I make everything by my hand. Especially the sandals and clutches, I make it by hand in my office. Okay, that's the thing.
I'm excited to see your collection on Friday.
Please, you're most welcome. You're most welcome to see that.
Yes. Mrs. Siraj, I need like a final word from you for our channel. What would you love to tell us?
Sure. First of all, I want to say, God bless you, and hope you guys reach on such a high level that tomorrow people will start copying you guys, because you people have come up with something, a unique idea, So I hope that this thing goes on such a level that people will start making their new channels. But by then, you people are already there.
Thank you.
So God bless you. Best of luck to you guys. Thank you very much.